To use Affirm on the Walmart app, start by opening the Walmart app on your mobile device and browsing the products you wish to purchase. Once you have added the items to your cart, proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see the payment options, where you can select Affirm as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Affirm website, where you can apply for a loan or log in to your existing account. If you are a new user, you will need to provide some personal and financial information to apply for a loan. This may include your name, email address, phone number, and social security number. After submitting your application, Affirm will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. If you accept the loan offer, you will be redirected back to the Walmart app to complete your purchase. Your purchase will be split into monthly payments, which you can manage through the Affirm website or mobile app. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Using Affirm on the Walmart app provides a convenient and flexible way to finance your purchases, allowing you to buy now and pay later. However, it is crucial to review the terms and conditions of your loan and make informed decisions about your financial obligations. By following these steps, you can easily use Affirm on the Walmart app to finance your purchases and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Remember to always review your loan terms and make timely payments to avoid any potential issues. Overall, using Affirm on the Walmart app is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances and make purchases with ease.